Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat ultra wide camera option not showing problem. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. Over here, if the option still doesn't show up, click on your profile icon on the top left corner. After that, go to settings by clicking on the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see support and feedback. Click on bugs and suggestions. Now click on report a bug. Click on camera. Then click on select topic and select camera features. Now type, my account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. After that, just click on submit. Now alternatively, go back to your camera page, click on explore at the bottom and tap on the search bar. Type ultra wide lens. Now select any one of the lenses. This won't be fully effective, but it will create an illusion like the ultra wide lens. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat ultra wide camera option not showing problem. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.